Hi, today we're going to talk about using formative and summative assessment. Formative assessment is a process that involves you and your learners working together to improve teaching and learning. You can perform formative and summative assessment with your learners using similar activities. It can happen in an informal or a formal way. The purpose of assessment and how you use the information will determine whether assessment is formative or summative. It's not just about the task itself. For example, keeping a portfolio of a learner's writing is a method that allows both formative and summative assessment to take place. Your learner's writing can be collected and then you can discuss it with them. This is something that you probably do anyway. As you notice their writing progressing, you can establish some new goals. This adapting of your teaching plans and the methods you use takes into account the needs of your learners. This is formative assessment. Once collection of the portfolio material is completed, you can use this evidence to demonstrate learner competency or to sum up their achievement. Therefore, this is summative assessment. Let's continue to compare formative and summative assessment. Formative assessment is for learning. It occurs at the start of a learning event and at regular intervals throughout. Summative assessment is of learning. It occurs after learning. Formative aims to find out what learners need to learn, what they have learned, and how much progress they're making. It provides information to develop the learning and teaching process. It might include initial assessments and diagnostic assessments too. While summative assessment attempts to sum up what learning has happened and to what level, it focuses on the outcomes and measures set criteria. An example might include assessment of unit standards and modules. Sometimes you can use summative assessment to point you where the next learning needs to go to. In this way, summative assessment can also have a formative purpose. It's all a matter of how you use the information. In a nutshell, the purpose of assessment helps you refine your teaching strategies and the learning activities. Think about selecting the right times for assessment, use the right options for assessment, use assessment results to refine your teaching, and make assessment an ongoing cycle. If you take time to think about your observations, you'll be well on your way to assessing your learners' progress.